Hi all, Mads Bartenkop from Kaizer Electronics. I am so thrilled about the new wall that I built for my workshop. New door, some fiber cement plates on the outside, isolation in between, and some nice new wood on the inside. So let's check it out on the inside. You may recognize this brown wood that was all over this wall. I had some trouble with water getting through my door and also underneath some of the wall parts. And I have mentioned this in some previous videos. And you can see the same goes for my workshop here. I'm also taking water in. But what I did was to tear down some of it, and to my big surprise I found the old doorway sitting here. So the previous owner of this house just installed a door next to the old one and just put some wood all over this rotted up wall that was in place before. So let's take a closer look at that. So after tearing down the brown wood that was all over here, we can see that the state of the woodwork here is the old doorstep from the old door, completely rotted up from underneath. The whole new plate that was put outside the door, also pretty rotted in the bottom here. And you can see the whole door frame here is just completely gone. Earlier this year I built this new black fiber cement, what do you call that? A front set wall or something like that. I'm not quite sure what the name of it is. But I put that up to also fix some moisture problems along the edge of this window. But I have some leftovers from this that I would like to put on the workshop. So my plan now is to break everything down, remove the door, and also move the door to sit more in line with the original doorway. But I wanted to fit into my, gangway that I have here in the workshop, so I can walk all the way through along the shelves and up along the work desk with the visor on, and so I can have a straight line to move big objects through the whole workshop. But first, some coffee. In order to give you an idea of how much noise reduction this new wall actually gave through the installation and also being a more tight construction, let's just try to walk in and close the door, lock it up, and enjoy the silence. Now, just to get rid of that light directly to the lens, now you can actually see the wood construction, which is 22 millimeters of plywood. Very good at mounting all kinds of tools and holders on. I have only put a few bits of my tools up on the wall over here. Have a little valve sitting here just so I avoid having pressure differences from inside and outside, and also have some air moving in and out through the workshop.